Okay, so the market goes up 670 points Monday. Today it erases almost all the gains. So I know what you're probably thinking. Well, what's going to happen tomorrow and where we're going to end up for the week? So there you are. I'm not going to bring too many details into equation here. I'm just going to underline three main factors that make me think that we're going to end up significantly lower where we closed today. So why do I say that? Uncertainty of the long weekend. As you know, the markets are going to be closed this Friday for Good Friday. So markets don't like uncertainty. And as crazy as the world has been, there's a lot of things that could take place over the course of 24 hours, especially over 72 hours. But now we got a whole extra day added on the weekend. So now you've got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I don't think many people, many investors are going to want to keep their chips on the table. So I think we're going to see some selling because of the longer weekend. Number two, okay, the markets will open lower tomorrow, and if they're going to stay lower through the day by 2:45, which I think they will, there's going to be a significant increase in the number of margin calls. And as we probably know through looking at the history, margin calls is the number one reason why a lot of sell-offs intensify in selling. So as the margin calls come tomorrow around 2:45, we should see an increase in selling going into the close. Of course, if that happens, that's going to trigger more computer selling on Thursday. More computer selling such as what we have seen on the week of February 2nd through February 9th. So if the computer trading starts going crazy again, we could be headed significantly lower. So how much lower? All right. How bad could things actually get? Well, there's another part. Right now, we're barely over this orange line of support above 25.87. Well, I think, and of course the market's closed around 26.12. I'm talking about the S&P 500 index. All right. Well, I think by Thursday we could easily trade closer to the 2,500 range. So between 2,500 on S&P and 2,525. Now, I hope I'm wrong because it could get ugly. Now we could see 2,400. Hopefully we're not going to fall below this 2,500 level though. Not so fast. Again, what's coming next week? There is a big job number that they're going to be looking at on April the 6th. And it's not the April 6th job number they're going to be looking at per se, but rather than the wage number that's going to be crucial. If there is a significant uptick, an increase in wages, then the market is going to totally tank on April the 6th. So get ready, keep an eye out on it. Okay, and who knows, maybe some good news will come our way tomorrow. So there's always a slight possibility that some unforeseen good news is going to help the market recover. Now, with these calculations, okay, if you're wondering what should you be doing tomorrow, you still got time to book your one-on-one consultation before the market opens tomorrow and have your strategy. Visit marketcrash.money. Do not miss out on the next great opportunity. Remember when Bitcoin was just 10 cents and nobody believed, everybody was so skeptical of what it is and whether it could reach 18, 20,000? Well, so nobody thought it could ever rise to that level. But once it did, guess what everybody thought? That it could never fall back. Now, I've been shorting Bitcoin since it was 18,800. And the students that I had that came in around that time has been able to make significant profits. Recently, Bitcoin has fallen from 18,800 all the way down to 5,900 and currently trades around 7,000-8,000 range. The point is, just in January, nobody believed that the markets, as they were hitting their all-time highs, had any possibility of falling. And people are still skeptical. That could be compared to Bitcoin in December, when it finally started falling from 20,000 to 16,000. But nobody yet believed that it could really crash all the way to 5,900. This is the similar conditions that we're having in the markets right now. There's still plenty of opportunity. It is not too late. Take advantage of it now. Schedule your consultation, and I will talk to you soon.
sheet. So my take is, I need you to have long-term view. You've got it, and that means own the banks. Don't sell them. All right. What a wild day. What a wild and often confused and often uncontrollable market. But I'm here for you, Craig America. We'll tackle it together. Much more Mad Money, including my exclusive with a really good story called Coles. After an ugly day on the averages, I'll find out if the company's worth trying on despite the market's unknowns. Then in a challenging environment, it's more than ever to focus on some longer-term themes that we know that work. Don't miss my sit-down with So What. Scott, you're up.
Hey, Jim, I have a question. I have a small portfolio, about 100,000, and about 10-15% of it is in financial sector.
And they didn't have the money, and they went under. I came in.
I see.
Office was locked up. Now say,
how are you, Jim? How are you?
I am okay. Long day. How about you?
It's a long day. Yeah. Can we just talk trading here for a second?
Sure.
Okay. With all the volatility we've had lately, it's making the options prices very expensive.
Like value. Let's go to Sam, Illinois, please. Sam.
How are you, Jim? How are you?
I am okay. Long day. How about you?
It's a long day. Yeah. Can we just talk trading here for a second?
Sure.
Okay. With all the volatility we've had lately, it's making the options prices very expensive. So instead of messing around with those VIX ETFs and stuff like that, if you want to be short volatility, why not sell out of the money put spreads?
Okay.
Very high probability of success on good stocks when they're down bad.
Sam, you won't do that. You won't do that in Cramerica. Here's why. In 1987, I was trading in the crash. And the firm that I was at, because I had left Goldman Sachs, was a firm, a very good firm. And they had an out-of-the-money put strategy. When the market crashed, they owned everything. And they didn't have the money. And they went under. I came in.
I see.
Office was locked up. Now, see, I got to tell you, Sam, most people haven't been around that long. So they think that's a terrific strategy. When you're trying to get in your office and it's locked because it closed, it tends to concentrate your mind. So those who think that that's a safe strategy, Sam, they're not old enough. I am. Let's go to Scott in Florida, please, Scott.